Hi book friends! Today I'll be reading Elmo Gives Thanks. It's a Sesame Street book, some of my favorite books. Are you ready? Here we go. There's so much to be thankful for. Where do you start? Everyday gratitude comes from the heart. And there goes the gang. I see Big Bird, Abby, Elmo, Bert and Ernie. I see a little girl waving. Hello. We're grateful for our bodies that work hard each day, that help us to move, to grow, and to play. Oh, and dance to music. I love dancing. They're having a dance party. How fun. We give thanks for good food that fills up our tummy and cooking together to make meals that are yummy. Oh, look at all the food. And yes, it does look yummy. I see pie. What else? Mashed potatoes. Oh, I love mashed potatoes. Cookies. What else? Bread. And what is that? That looks like sweet potato casserole with marshmallows. Oh, so good. Everyone has a plate and they're ready to eat. Oh, yes, especially Cookie Monster. He's holding up his spoon and his fork. He's ready. And there goes Big Bird and his mother. Oh, carrying the salad. Oh, crunchy and fresh. What a great setting they have. They even have decorations with the gourds and the pumpkins and the apples. It's so beautiful. For sun in the summer and leaves in the fall, winter snow and spring flowers, we're glad for them all. Do you have a favorite season? Is it summer? Is it spring? Is it winter? Is it fall? I think that my favorite season is the fall. Oh yes, raking the leaves, watching the trees change colors. It's my favorite. Oh, and I love how it gets a little cold, but not too cold. The fall. For time spent exploring the world all around, we're thankful for all the adventures we found. Or are they at the pumpkin patch? It looks like they are. That's a big pumpkin. And that's a small one. Oh, so beautiful. We're grateful for giggles and silly things too. Smiling brings joy to me and to you. And what is Elmo doing? He's splashing in the puddles. Oh, splash, splash, splash. And Elmo is not wearing boots. Uh-oh, he's gonna get his feet wet and cold. Oh, but he's smiling. He's happy. We're thankful for kindness, for helping and caring, for those who show love by their giving and sharing. Oh, I like to give too. They're at the apple orchard, the apple farm, where you can pick the apples from the trees and fill the baskets up. Oh, that's so much fun. And you do that in the fall. Another reason to love the fall. Apple picking and sharing the apples that you pick. We love to create, to imagine and play. We're thankful we think of new ideas each day. There goes Elmo coloring. Oh, he's coloring the neighborhood. They're playing with blocks, making a tower so tall. That's so much fun. We're grateful for learning, for teachers and schools. Our knowledge and wisdom are powerful tools. Isn't that right? This little girl is reading a book about dogs. She's learning about dogs. Yeah. Oh, you can learn so much from reading, right? Like going to the library and checking out a book about, maybe about trees or apples or flowers, anything really. The little girl's at school. You can see the chalkboard, learning her ABCs. I love going to school. There's so much we share, and we're each special, it's true. Our differences make the whole world special too. Look at them. Yay, they're so happy. And yes, they're all so different from one another, but they're all friends, getting along, having fun. Sometimes we make mistakes, some big and some small. We're proud of ourselves and celebrate it all. What's happening here? Is it Cookie Monster? Was that his first batch? Yeah, I think those cookies got burned in the oven. But it's okay, he made a second batch of cookies and those look just right. They must smell delicious. We're grateful for time spent with family and friends. We cherish these moments from beginning to end. I love my family and I love spending time with them. Do you see the Tweedle bugs? Oh, they're so cute. There's so many. Oh, I see them here having some tea or a smoothie. I see this one helping this little Tweedle bug in the wheelchair, pushing the wheelchair. They're having fun in the sun. They're reading. Oh, they're having so much fun together. There's a little baby one in a stroller. How cute. Being together is so good. We're thankful for love that fills up our hearts, that we give and receive even when we're apart. Is that Snuffy? It's Snuffleupagus. And there goes Abby, and it looks like Abby made a card for Snuffy. Oh, that's always nice to think of someone and to make them a card with paper and crayons and to write something nice. For a space that feels safe and a spot of our own, we're thankful for that special place we call home. There goes Elmo and his family. Mama and Dad having cookies in the living room with their books. Very important. And their plants. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, it's so nice to feel safe in your home, wherever that is. We treasure all of these things and so many more. All around us, there's so much to be thankful for. Isn't that right? There's so much to be thankful for. Like our family, like our friends, like the sun that warms us. Oh, and the moon at night. So thankful for the beauty of nature and everything around us. Oh, they look very happy, don't they? And that's the end of this beautiful book, Elmo Gives Thanks. Let's clap. Let's clap for this book. Yay! What are you thankful for? Are you thankful for books? Oh, yeah, I'm thankful for books. I love them. Well, until next time, bye, book friends.